Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss this question. Okay, so this question came in CSIR UGC NET December 2011 and the question is, consider the equation this dy by dx is equals to 1 plus f square t into yt, and here this is comma, okay, comma y0 is equals to 1, yes, y0 is equals to 1 and t is greater than equals to 0. Okay, clear it out and write this here, t is greater than equals to 0, where f is a bounded continuous function on 0 comma infinity. Then which of these options will follow, that we have to check. Okay, so see, now here we will take ft as such a function which will be both bounded and continuous. So let us take a constant function. Okay, we know that every constant function is both continuous and bounded. See, why? See, I'll be explaining this. First let me write this out. The question is dy by dt is equals to, and yes, here one more mistake, this is dt. Okay, dy by dt, yes, so dy by dt is equals to 1 plus f square t, and this is into yt, comma this y0 is equals to 1, and we are given that t is greater than equals to 0. Okay, now so as in the question it is given that f is a bounded and continuous function on 0 comma infinity, so we will take a function ft which will be both bounded and continuous. So let us take a constant function, that is, let f of t be equals to 1. Okay, now this is continuous. How? See, according to the definition of continuous function, a function f from S, where S is the subset of R to R, is said to be continuous, at t is equals to a if a belongs to S intersection S and limit t tends to a, f of t is equals to f of a. Okay, so this is the definition of continuity of a function. Okay, now here where a belongs to S. Okay, so in our question, see, in this question S is what? Nothing but this. Okay, so in the question, according to our question, S is 0 comma infinity. Okay, now see, if we take any point from this S, then limit t tends to a, f of t will be equals to what? 1, because our function, this function is only f of t is equals to 1. Are you understanding? So therefore this will be 1. If it was f of t is equals to x, then at t is equals to a, this is x, then limit t tend to a, f of t would have been what? A, isn't it? But this is 1, so here for this we will have 1 only. Okay, so now this is equals to what? F of a. Hence this is continuous. F of, where f of a is what? This 1 only. Okay, so therefore f is continuous. Okay, So the function f is continuous. Now let us show that this is bounded also. Now see, for f of t is equals to 1, for this function, if this is the domain and this is the codomain, and see, this is A, this is B, then for any value from here we will have just one value in the codomain. Okay, means the range is what? Just 1. For any value, this is what a domain, our domain is 0 to infinity, isn't it? And for any value from this interval we will have the image as 1 only. Okay, we will have this 1 only as the image. Okay, for any value from this domain. Okay, so now a function is said to be bounded if its range set is bounded, and here its range set is what? 1 only, isn't it? Which is bounded, hence f is bounded. Okay, now see, we have taken a function f of t is equals to 1 which is both continuous and bounded. This is satisfying both the conditions, right? So we can take f of t is equals to 1. Now let us proceed further. The question is dy by dt is equals to 1 plus f square t into yt. Now see, in place of ft we can use 1. Okay, so let us replace f of t by 1. Then we will get here dy by dt is equals to 1 plus, this is what? F, this is f square t into yt. Okay, then this is what? Dy by dt is equals to 1 plus f of t is 1, then f square t. F square t is nothing but f of t is whole square. See, f of t is equals to 1, then f of t, its whole square will be what? 1 only. Okay, and this is only f square t. Okay, this both are equal, so this is again 1 into this is y. We can write yt as y for solving it out. Okay, so now this becomes what? Dy by dt equals to 2y. Okay, now dy by dt is equals to 2 into y. Alright, so now we will use the variable separable method for finding its solution. Okay, so what we will do? Dy by y, and this is equals to 2 dt. Okay, see, now we will get what? After integration we will get this as ln y is equals to 2t plus ln c. Okay, so this implies ln y minus ln c is equals to 2t. Okay, alright, so now this implies ln y by c is equals to 2t. Okay, so now let us take anti-log both the sides. So this will give us what? Y by c is equals to e to the power 2t. Okay, this implies y is equals to c into e to the power 2t. Alright, now see, in the question we are given this condition y0 is equals to 1. See, y0 is equals to 1, so we will use this to find c. Okay, so it's given that y0 is equals to 1, so this equation is what? Yt is equals to c e to the power 2t. Okay, so now put 0 in place of t, then we will get y of 0 is equals to c into e to the power 0. So which is what? C e to the power 0 is what? 1, and y0 is given what? 1, so we got c to be how much? 1. Okay, so now from this we will get what? See, y is equals to, let it be 1 and let this equation be 2. So when we will put the value of c in equation 1, then we will get y as e to the power 2t, okay, which is a unique solution, okay, which is, now see, let us go back to the question and check which of the options contain this unique solution word, okay. So see, here we can see that in option A, it's given that this equation admits a unique solution, and then in option D, we have the same, this equation admits a unique solution, okay. Now the answer can be either A or B, either A or D, okay, because this is a part B question, okay. So the answer can be either A or D, because after that you can see both of them says different things. See, here it's saying that limit exists, and in D it's saying that limit is infinity, okay. So let us check which of these options will be correct. So now we will find limit of yt when t tends to infinity, okay, and let us check whether the limit exists or not. Yt is equals to e to the power 2t, okay. Limit t tends to infinity, yt is equals to what? Limit t tends to infinity, e to the power 2t, which is equals to e to the power infinity, which is equals to what? Infinity. So from this we got what? Limit t tending to infinity, yt is equals to infinity, okay. So from this, which option is correct? From this we got that option D is the correct answer, okay. And this is a part B question. Alright, so this was all for today, and if you liked my video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you.